Okay, so this is part 2 of the 05 Colorado clutch replacement. I'm trying to figure out how this is all actually stuck together, but this clipped right out, easy peasy. 4 bolts, pretty simple. Underneath here, I can do those 4 bolts if I wanted to, but I'm going to clean out all this dust first so I don't get any dust in the trans. Where's that part of that subframe? Got the drive shaft. Got quite a bit. Okay, so there's these 2 bolts, these 2 bolts. That is these 2. Use a slight pry bar, pops it apart, easy peasy. These 2, those are 8 millimeters. These 2 bolts go down to the bottom here. These should be like 15s. These 2 go through these holes on the far end of that, which is these holes, which are 15s. These 2 bolts that go on the bottom, which are these 4 lovely bolts, are 18s. Now I'm missing some tools. I need to make a run for more oil and a couple other tools and creature comforts to make my life a little bit easier. Now I fucked up with this. Got some oil down there, but that's easy to clean up. Harness pulls around on the side. It's dangling right there for now. As my next mission. So this is already broke off right here, so I don't gotta worry about that. I need to disconnect the rest of the fuel lines. I need to get a special tool for it's for the clutch line. But yeah, honestly, the only thing that's really left to do on this is the clutch line, disconnecting these fuel lines off of it, and start unbolting that transmission. But I am also gonna grab a transmission jack as well. Funnest part is gonna be the bolts that are up top. I just have to unbolt it up here, so the shifter and all that. I'm gonna let that continue dripping out for a little bit. Then I'm gonna pull the drain plug. I gotta look up if I need a special tool for filling the fluid in this damn thing. Or if I just fill it right there, I don't know. Sorry for my hands, they're dirty and eczema sucks. But pretty easy so far. For reference for the diff, this is how they sit on. But I'm amazed that people haven't made more videos about this. Because like honestly, like there's so much room in this transmission tunnel. I mean, everywhere in general. Working on this thing is pretty easy. I want to do the carrier bearing, but I have never done a carrier bearing before, so I got to look into how much fun that's going to be. Because if I had to take it to a shop to have them cut and re-weld, then I'm not doing that right now. I'll do that at a different date then, I don't really care. But, yep, this is about where we are so far. Don't forget to disconnect your battery. Would be very bad if you didn't do that. Probably cause something to short. It's like with the wire harness, you unplug this wire, you unplug that sensor right there, droop it over. There's a back sensor over here on the transmission you unplug. Other than that, it's moving right along. So I will see you guys in part 3. And part 3 should, well, the transmission should be up on that, part 3. So see you guys then.